Hello again. All right, this is the last main paragraph of your paper. All you have to do after this is the conclusion. Aren't you excited? We're excited! Yay! Okay. Here. So, this paragraph is called inspiration, and this paragraph should be the easiest because it's about you. You get to write about you, and you can use first person. You can say, I did this, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So if you look at the topic sentence right here in green, I chose blank to write my research paper on because he or she always inspired me. All right? So all you're going to do is fill in the blank. Who did you choose to write about? Okay? Add their name there. Now, let's look at these yellow boxes. Please do not forget what? Transition words. Go. Go. Quit drooling all over me. Go. So each yellow box needs to start with a transition word. Okay. You need to think of 3 reasons why you chose this person and why they inspire you. Okay, why do you like them? Why did you choose them? Are they funny? Do you like their movies? Do they play your favorite sport? Are they beautiful? I don't know, okay? You need to think about why you chose them. So in one sentence, in the yellow, you'll put transition to begin with, comma, I chose to write about Magic Johnson because I love basketball. Okay, and then for the supporting detail, you can add, I always wanted to play like Magic. I'm on the basketball team. Something like that. Okay, this is about you and why you chose that person and why you like them. 3 different reasons why. Then, the bottom is fill in the blanks again. So blank influences me and millions positively. All you're going to do is write down the person's name. Magic Johnson influences me and millions positively. Okay? That's it. This one should be really pretty easy. But if you do have questions or concerns, email me or message me. You're almost done, guys.